What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Flare, which has hit a huge green candlestick in the last 24 hours. And yes guys, it is currently up over 30%, currently trading at 0.0444 cents. So what is next for Flare? Why has it pumped up in the last 24 hours? Even though the crypto market has been on the red side over the last 24 to 48 hours, what can we expect from Flare? How high is it likely to go this year? And mainly focusing on buyers and sellers point of view. Is it time to buy right now? Is it too late? Is it time to sell it, or is it simply time to hold on to it? So we are going to be covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the short term and over the long term in 2024. Is this a crypto still worth investing into? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Flare, which is here in purple at 0.03624 cents. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in red at over 0.0448 cents, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected, and it is getting very close to the 5 cents target as well. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and they are looking quite steep as well, meaning it is not as realistic as it seems. So over the next 12 to 14 hours, towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I am expecting the crypto to be fluctuating around 0.044 cents in value. Reason being is, yes, I'm expecting it to hit more green candles over the coming hours, pumping higher than where it is at the moment. However, later on this afternoon, evening time, I'm expecting it to start hitting red candles, taking a little step back in value, as it will be slightly overvalued, meaning it should be dropping back down to its current price range of where it is at the moment, meaning an overall fluctuation in value. But in between, do expect quite of a wave with green and red candles, but the overall outcome does seem to be more on the neutral side. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Again, we got the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction. However, they are still looking quite steep, so once again, this is not as realistic as it seems. So over the next 7 to 8 days, by mid next week, I'm expecting Flare to have gone for an overall minimal increase in value, heading over the 6 cents target is what I'm expecting Flare to be trading at by mid next week. However, in between that time, it is also likely to hit red as well as green days, so quite volatile. But what matters is the overall outcome, which at this point does seem to be more on the positive side. So it looks like the green days are going to overtake the red days, which should result in an overall increase in value. And yes, I'm also expecting the crypto market to be heading towards the bullish direction for majority of this month as well, which should have an again positive impact on the crypto market. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, again we do have the blue line still looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction. However, the orange line is not looking as steep, so it's looking a little bit more realistic than the previous two charts. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, mid to late May 2024, I am expecting Flare to have gone for an overall increase in value, but nothing too crazy, potentially heading up to around 8 cents in value. 7 to 8 cents in value is what I'm expecting Flare to be trading at by mid to late May 2024, and potentially heading slightly higher by mid-year. And yes, as mentioned in the thumbnail, I'm expecting it to hit 10 cents in the second half of this year is when I'm expecting Flare to be hitting the 10 cents target. However, dips, crashes and pumps, these things will have a major impact not just on the value of Flare but the crypto market in general, which I will keep you guys updated on a regular basis. So guys, make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But not just that, and to stay in the loop on my takes and predictions on the crypto market and what to predict as well. So bringing on the Fibonacci scale here, we can see we are currently back up into the top tier level after dropping down into the blue zone earlier in March, about 2 weeks ago. However, we have recovered and still on the way to recovery, and again, as I mentioned, over the coming week and months I'm expecting it to slowly head upwards, potentially heading up above 6 to 7 cents in early May and potentially up to about 7 to 8 cents in late May, as I mentioned earlier on in the video. But I will make sure to keep you guys updated on a regular basis on Flare as well. But if you guys want more updates on this crypto, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to keep you guys updated as much as I can on Flare as well. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 600% in the last 24 hours, making it over $188 million in trading, guys, which is again a huge increase in trading. Reason is quite obvious, the crypto has taken a major pump, so we are seeing a lot more people trading the crypto from both buyers and sellers point of view, which in return is also helping the value of Flare pump up higher than where it is at the moment. Moving on to the daily chart, 24% up, but we can clearly see it has been very volatile with major pumps here a few days ago and then dropping back down and then pumping back up, and over the month it is down just about 3%, but we can clearly see the crypto has been, well, quite neutral over the last 4 weeks with major pumps and drops, but overall it has not moved much value wise. So let me know in the comment section down below how high or how low are you guys expecting Flare to go in 2024. I've seen a lot of comments online, even to the fact where people are predicting Flare to hit about $1 or even $10 as well, which I'm not expecting from Flare this year, because if it's going to hit the $1 sign or even the 50 cents target, it is going to require a major increase in value, which will not be sustainable and it will end up crashing back down. So I'm not expecting any major pumps from Flare anytime this year. But let me know in the comment section down below how high and how low you guys are expecting Flare to go in 2024. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, and so make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.